If you're looking for a reliable HDMI cable that blends seamlessly into your home or office setup, this 100 feet CL3 rated HDMI cable is designed just for you. Its in-wall rating means you get a clean, professional look without worrying about safety or signal loss. That's a big win when you want your space to look tidy and modern. One standout feature is the detachable signal booster adapter, which must connect to the HDMI input end. This cable is directional, so proper setup ensures the strongest possible signal. The heavy-duty 25 Aruban fluorines wire is fully shielded, reducing interference and maintaining crystal-clear transmission even over long distances. With support for high-speed HDMI standards, this cable delivers up to 10.2 gigabits per second bandwidth and a 340 MHz frequency. It handles refresh rates up to 240 Hz and 48-bit deep color, making it ideal for smooth gaming and vivid video. Plus, it supports 3D, 4K resolution, Ethernet channel, audio return channel, and full HD formats like 1440p and 1080p. Compatibility is broad, covering everything from LCD and LED TVs to gaming consoles like PS4, PS3, Xbox One, Xbox 360, and Wii U. It also works perfectly with Blu-ray and DVD players. So, no matter your setup, this cable keeps your devices connected with top-notch quality. The cable's 99.9% oxygen-free copper core minimizes signal degradation, ensuring your picture and sound stay sharp. It's also RoHS compliant, meeting strict environmental standards. Backed by Gbps limited lifetime warranty, this cable is a purchase you can trust for the long haul. Users across the United States praise its quality and convenience. While some note it's a bit pricier than average, the ease of buying online and the reliable performance make it worth the investment. Whether you're upgrading your home theater or expanding your surveillance system, this cable delivers consistent results. If you want a high-quality, durable HDMI cable that supports advanced features and fits neatly inside your walls, this 100 feet CL3 rated option is worth a look. It combines performance, safety, and compatibility in one solid package. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your connection without the hassle of messy cables. Don't settle for less when it comes to your AV setup. Choose a cable that keeps your signal strong and your space clean. This CL3 rated HDMI cable with a detachable signal booster adapter is ready to meet your needs and deliver the quality you expect.